All right, people, today is the 20th, May. So the weather forecast says that it's going to be sunny at 3 and at 5. I promise you, the Marshall shit station will change colors and lay off the clouds long enough for the sun to peek out at those times. It does this every day, every single time. The weather forecasts the emissions of the coal plants and the output of the military spray planes. That is a fact. If you want to experiment for yourself, go nuts. There's the Marshall shit stack, okay? It'll probably change as we're sitting here. In fact, it already has. See? So what do we got? Big, dark, farted out shit. All right, and now they've lightened the mix 2 seconds later. The weather did not change. The output of the plant. The plant is making the weather. That's a fact. Google it. Research it. And these fucks up there will lie to your face and tell you they don't know what's going on. Okay, if this was rain clouds and not aerosols, it'd be raining like a motherfucker right now, wouldn't it? See how dark this shit is? It ain't raining because they're aerosols. Coal ash dust is the catalyst in all of this crap. Look at your cloud book. The cloud book shows all the clouds that are shit out of the coal plants, the paper mills, the power plants, and the airplanes, and they give them names like they're natural clouds. Get the fuck out of here, you scumbag lying pricks. Anybody with a fraction of a fucking brain could see what's going on here, that goes on here every single day. Duke Energy is guilty of weather modification. I've seen this plant appear to burn clean. In other words, the emissions dissipating off the top of the tower for weeks at a time. There's not a cloud in the sky, except for the shitbag airplanes. And how convenient the two run together. Generally, when one isn't making clouds, neither is the other, because they're peddling the same shit, which in the end of it, coming out of the airplanes is liquefied coal ash that's mixed in with a JP8 jet fuel. There's not nozzles in the airplane spraying it into the motors. It's in the fuel. And God knows what else is in that fuel. We are in perpetual darkness. That's a fact. Who's doing it? All these fucking scumbags. Absolutely unbelievable. It's criminal is what it is. There's no two ways around it. And you know what? People are waking up. Now, it's taken a little while, but they're getting pissed. That means they're going to come and fuck you guys up. And I'm going to be one of them. And this is going to stop. And you guys might go to prison. Or you might be swinging. We'll see. There may be no justice at that time. You might not receive a fair trial. Just a tall tree and a short rope. Yep. It's total bullshit.